नमस्ते, बड़ों को प्रणाम और मेरे सभी दोस्तों को प्यार।
I'm at a place called Marsa, and listen at the sounds, guys. I love the thing about the sound of the villages, guys. The sounds of the bird, the chirping of the birds, guys. I'm out here for a small work. It's not my work also, but I thought I'll get you all along with me, guys. So it's a beautiful location out here, small village type location, and the view from here you can see, guys. Yeah, guys, the view of the house, and you can see the Rani pool out here, guys. And there's the residence, so I'm going out there and I'll show you the working of the people out here, guys, how they work, and view from the rooftop. The view from the rooftop is very beautiful. There are a lot of farm animals out there, guys. I think goats out there in that place, and hens you can see down here, and cow is out there, guys. So I'll show you the cows later on. And with me is Maila Daju. He's the caretaker of this house, and he's out here working today. आज काम गरे हुँदैछ हैन
काम गरे हुँदैछ
He's working out there. हुन्छ त thank you. I'm at the outer side, guys. The house is just out here where we were, and look at the view, guys, behind me. Beautiful. And today is such a lovely day, guys. Sun's rising, and you can see the place down there. I think this is an orange, guys. This is orange tree, and look at Rani Pool, guys. And you can see Gangtok out there, guys. I'm at the rooftop now, so let's take a look at the views from out here. And guys, it's very beautiful. Wow, you want to see, guys? Just kidding around, but guys, the view I can't really see. Really, guys, beautiful. This side it's Rani Pool, guys, and out there it's Gangtok. And this is the rooftop, guys. So let's look at the cinematic shots, guys. Some. Interior of this house, guys. So and this table is from my childhood, guys. I remember this table from my childhood, and the whole house is empty, so my voice might be echoing. So guys, I'm going to take some rest out here, guys. It's very hot, you can see from my face. And you enjoy some photographs of the beautiful flowers which are out here, guys. Okay. Oh. I have reached home, guys. Thank you all for watching the video, guys. I hope you all like the views. It takes a lot of hard work to make a video. The planning, the scripting, the sequencing of the scenes and all, and the cinematography, the editing of the scenes. So it takes a lot of hard work, and it's also a fun work. We enjoy also. So I hope you appreciate our hard work and give us the like, guys. Please comment how you feel about the works and all, and do share my videos and do subscribe, guys. Do subscribe so that I'll get और भी ज़्यादा आप लोगों का प्यार और ऊपर वाले का प्यार. Over.